Hi everyone. You say hi.
Hi.
Today we're gonna read. Okay, we're gonna practice reading. JE will identify the letters and then the sounds, and then he will try to read it. Okay, are you ready, JE?
Yep.
Yes, I
Yeah.
am. You say yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Alright, you look at here. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start with this column. Ano, ha? Listen.
B.
Wala pa. Wala lang dito. To look here, Jay. Okay, Nanay will point the letter and then you identify the letter and sound, huh?
1,
Okay.
2.
What letter is this, Jay? Here.
B.
What's the sound?
B.
This one.
A.
Sound.
A.
Next.
T. T.
Okay, you read it.
B. T. But.
Very good. Next. What letter is this?
C.
What's the sound?
K.
This one.
I.
Huh? Letter?
Letter. M.
No. What letter is that? Same lang, Drio.
Mana M.
Hindi na. Sound yan. Anong sound yan?
A.
Oh, ano na? Letter.
A.
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 What sound is this? What letter is this?
T.
What sound?
T.
Okay, you read.
K. T. T.
Ka.
Cut.
Okay, very good. Dai, come here, Dai. Okay, kabudlay. Oh, next.
H.
H. What's the sound of letter H?
Ha.
Okay, next, what's letter is this?
A.
Oh, what's the sound?
A.
Next, what letter is this?
T.
What's the sound?
T.
Okay, you read.
Ha. Ha. A. T.
T.
T. T.
Ha.
Ha. Hat.
Okay, very good. Hat. Next. Next word here. What letter is this?
T.
Ariyo, this one. Dua ka buklod.
M.
What's the sound?
M.
Okay, very good. What letter is this?
A.
What's the sound?
A.
This one.
T.
What's the sound?
T.
Okay, you read.
T. Mat.
Very good. Manang Andre ko. Shh, Day. Okay, next letter. Ay, next word.
May pila pa.
Lapit na lang, mga 4 na lang.
4 na 3, 3 na 2.
4 naman, tapos next naman yung column, next pagid yung column, tapos next pagid yung column. Okay, come here. Come on. Let's do it faster. What letter is this? P? Okay. What's the sound?
P.
What about this one?
I.
A.
A.
Nakalipat ka. What's the
A.
sound?
A. T.
Read.
P. T. T. Tot.
Pa. Pa.
Pot.
Pa. A. T.
T. Pot.
Pat.
Pot.
Very good. Okay, next. Come on, you sit down properly, babe. Next. Naka madulo mo. Next word. Come on.
C.
No, it's not C. What's the sound of that? Okay, what letter is that? Ang the snake. Ano mas letter?
A.
Eh,
A.
S.
S.
Sound? Okay. Ito.
S.
Sa'yo lang. Pati ang pag ano. Hindi ako, Nay. Wala ka diya, ah. Saya.
Oo.
Patirig ka. Suli, oh.
S.
Yes.
A. A.
Sound?
A. T. T.
Read.
A. T. Tot. C. S.
At.
At. At.
May S pa. Sat.
Sa.
Oh, hindi mo pagkalipatan ng first letter of the word. Okay, next. What letter is this? Buka. Pareho yung sound. Almost the same.
B.
Oh, ano niya?
V.
Ano?
V.
Okay, V.
B.
V.
V.
Oh, wait. What's the sound?
V.
V. Okay, what letter is this?
A.
Sound.
A.
What about this one?
T.
Sound.
T.
Okay, you read.
T. T.
Read. V.
V. T. Vat.
Very good. Again.
Vat.
Okay, last one.
Naipila pa.
Last one.
Three.
One na lang, ani.
One na lang.
Oo, isa na lang.
R.
Sound.
R.
Letter.
Letter. I.
A. Kalipat ka.
Nanay daw blue.
Letter A.
Nanay.
Again.
One na lang.
Oo.
Letter A. A. T. T.
Read.
T.
Read.
Rat.
Ano?
Rat.
Very good. Rat.
Rat.
Bat.
Bat.
Cat.
Cat.
Hat.
Hat.
Mat.
Mat.
Pat.
Bat.
Sat.
Sat.
That.
Vet.
Rat.
Rat.
Okay, very good. Say
Tapos
bye.
na. Bye! Bye!